Hello, everybody, and welcome to Birdeye's comprehensive guide to online reputation management. In this crash course, we're going to teach you what online reputation is and how you can use it to rank higher on search, get chosen by more customers, and outrank local competition in your area. Business reputation management is by no means a new idea. Since the dawn of commerce, people have wanted to do business with organizations that they trust. As a result, companies have always tried to build a reputation that inspires confidence and credibility. But with the rise of the internet, business reputation management has moved online. When searching for a new product or service, consumers start by looking on review sites and social media for feedback on the businesses that they're interested in. In other words, they're looking at the business's online reputation. Before we dive even deeper, let's answer some common questions about online reputation management. What exactly is online reputation management? Online reputation management involves monitoring and addressing customer feedback or content that could damage your brand's reputation and using strategies to prevent problems from arising in the first place. Your online reputation is mostly built through online reviews and comments people leave about your business on social media. We can break online reputation management down into two parts: acting proactively to create and manage customer perception of your company's brand online, and determining how people perceive your business when they find you online. What's the relationship between online reputation management and search engine optimization, or SEO? Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo value online reviews as much as your customers do. Online reviews provide fresh, organic content for your business and highlight genuine customer experiences. Google's goal is to provide the best search results for customers, and reviews provide them with valuable information. Of course, reviews aren't the only thing impacting your search ranking. Search engines are the roadways that help direct targeted traffic to your site. Think about the signs on the side of a freeway that tell you there's gas, food, and lodging off the next exit. If you don't have your signs up, search engines won't know they can send traffic your way. That means the signals you send to search engines shouldn't just include reviews. You also need accurate and up-to-date contact information to be discovered online, like your name, address, phone number, opening hours, and more. It's important to make sure this information is consistent across the internet. The next question we commonly get is, what is the value of business reputation management? Business reputation management is how you control the way your brand is viewed and perceived by customers, stakeholders, and the market as a whole. When customers consider doing business with you, they want to make sure the product or service will satisfy their needs. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of online reputation management. A great online reputation means more credibility with customers. We can't stress this enough. People want to do business with companies they trust. However, if a potential customer has never heard of you before, they won't know if they can trust you. That's where a good online reputation can help. If you have lots of great reviews, you can easily build credibility with customers. A great online reputation means more visibility in an online search. Your customers aren't the only ones who value your online reputation. A great online reputation means search engines will prioritize you online and your business will rank higher in relevant search results. Finally, a better online reputation means more revenue. Studies show that a great online reputation means more money for your business. In fact, customer reviews produce an 18% average increase in sales revenue. Why do you need an online reputation management strategy? Because building a strong online reputation doesn't just happen overnight. It takes work. Even if you're providing a great customer experience, it's possible your online reputation doesn't reflect that. There's a reason why this happens. Customers who have a bad experience are 2 to 3 times more likely to write an angry review than customers who had a great experience are to write a glowing review. As a result, your online reputation might reflect the opinions of your displeased customers more than your satisfied ones. Luckily, there's a way to fix this. An online reputation management strategy can make sure the reviews posted on sites like Google and Facebook are a true representation of your business's customer experience. Let's talk about how you can build a strong online reputation management strategy with these 5 tips. First, Monitor. Keep a close eye on how customers are talking about your business on sites like Facebook and ones that are important in our industry like Avo for lawyers and ZocDoc for doctors. You'll also want to read all of the reviews your business gets on Google. Then, collect. Ask your customers to leave reviews. You probably have plenty of customers who'd be happy to do this. They just need a little nudge. Next, manage. Keep track of your reviews from all over the internet and respond accordingly. It doesn't matter if they're negative or positive. Then, market your reviews. Once you have plenty of great reviews, use them as social proof. Share your reviews on your website and on social media. Lastly, connect. If you've done those 4 steps correctly, you should have prospects who want to contact your business. Make sure it's easy for new leads to communicate with your business. Your contact information on listing sites should always be accurate, and you should give customers easy access to your business with a textable number or web chat option on your website. Of course, it's always important to keep an eye on what customers are saying about you on social media. As a business owner, the last thing you want is for a negative post about your business to go viral on Facebook or Twitter. Managing your social media reputation has a lot in common with monitoring your reputation on review sites. Here are 3 tips for managing your social media reputation. First, monitor mentions of your brand. It's important you stay on top of mentions of your business so you know the moment customers talk about your brand in a positive or negative light. Respond to customer complaints. If a customer complains about your business, get in touch right away. If you get to the bottom of the problem, the customer will likely be happy to update or even delete their original comment. And lastly, encourage customers to post. Just as you should encourage customers to leave reviews, you should also encourage customers to share your business on social media. It's an easy way to create more awareness of your brand. Now you know why your business's reputation is so important. So let's talk about how you can create a stellar online reputation. With these 10 tips, you'll lay the foundation for a great online reputation and help grow your business in the future. Tip number 1, aim to provide a quality service. The first step in building a great online reputation is providing a fantastic customer experience from start to finish. Make sure you're making an effort to consistently delight your customers. Tip number 2, send review requests to all of your customers. Next, you want to make sure your customers are sharing their great experiences on review sites and social media. Remember, a business with 500 reviews looks a lot better than a business with just 5. There's an easy trick to getting more reviews. Just ask. You'll make leaving reviews easy for your customers by sending review requests via text and email. All they have to do is click the link and write a review. It's important to send review requests to all of your customers if you want to see your review volume grow quickly. A business with lots of reviews will probably have a few negative reviews, but that shouldn't be an issue. Customers prefer businesses with some negative reviews over those with a perfect 5-star rating. A few reviews prove that your reviews are authentic. Tip number 3, aim to be on the first page of Google search. 75% of users don't make it past the first page of Google. By taking the steps to rank higher on search, more customers will discover your business. To increase your business's visibility on search, get more reviews and make sure that your business listings are accurate across the internet. It's estimated that reviews and listings together account for more than 25% of ranking factors. Tip number 4, monitor all relevant review sites. Customers are always deciding if they want to buy from your business. There are hundreds of online review sites that can help them make their decision. Bad reviews on one site can turn customers away from your business and towards a competitor. Make sure you're keeping track of every review site your business appears on to prevent damage to your reputation. Tip 5, engage with all of your customers. Responding to reviews show you care about all of your customers. Responding to a positive review is a great way to show appreciation and build loyalty. On the other hand, responding to a negative review in the right way can help turn an angry customer into someone who's ready to have a conversation with you. They could even become an advocate of your business based on the way you handle the situation. Tip number 6, treat negative feedback as an opportunity to improve. Remember, negative reviews can also be an opportunity to improve your customer experience. For example, if you see a customer complaining about something like, a long wait time. You may want to explore how you can make your processes more efficient. Use the insights you get from reviews to better understand which aspects of your business customers love and which aspects need to improve. This can help make your business more efficient. It will also give you a chance to show your customers you care about their satisfaction. Tip 7. Fight slander against your business. Occasionally, you might get a bad review from someone you don't recognize. They might even be reviewing the wrong business. In this case, put your evidence out there strongly and politely so potential customers know they're looking at a fake review. This shows the public that the review doesn't actually represent your business. Most review sites offer businesses the ability to flag spam or slanderous reviews. Make sure you use this functionality to report such reviews. Tip 8. Make sure that your listing information is accurate. Incorrect business listing information can spread across the internet and seriously damage your business. There are only 4 major data aggregators that distribute listing information, and that means a wrong address or phone number can quickly spread all over the internet. That doesn't just mean confused and angry customers. If potential customers can't find the information they need, they'll likely choose your competition instead. Inaccurate information can also impact your search rankings on Google, so make sure that your business information is accurate on listings everywhere. Tip number 9. Keep track of your competitors. It doesn't matter if customers are trying to find a new restaurant or a new dental practice. They're probably going to look up multiple different businesses online. That's why it's important to see what customers are saying about your competition on review sites. If there are areas where your competitors are doing well and where you're falling short, you can use their reviews to figure out what you can do differently to stay ahead. Tip number 10, stay active on social media. Customers keep track of what friends and family are saying on social platforms like Facebook and Twitter, so make sure your business is posting regularly. Recent news about your business, a new offering, a promotion, and great customer reviews are all easy things to share with your social media followers. Next, let's talk about tackling online reputation management on your own. You can manage your online reputation yourself. However, reputation management requires a lot of time and energy to fix listings, request reviews, respond to reviews, and keep track of competitor reviews. These tasks can be overwhelming, and if you don't have dedicated resources and your business is expanding, consider investing in an online reputation management software to automate these tasks and free up more time to run your business. Here are a few ways online reputation management software like Birdeye can help your business. First, it helps your business stay on top of customer reviews with review monitoring. Your customers aren't just on big sites like Facebook or Google. Customers can find your business all over the internet, which means it's important for you to stay on top of your online reputation on all platforms. Of course, this isn't easy. It's hard for business owners to go through every single review site manually. There just isn't enough time in the day. Luckily, with Birdeye Review Monitoring, it's easy to track all of your reviews from Google and Facebook. You can also track reviews on more industry-specific sites for lawyers, dentists, realtors, and doctors. Birdeye tracks reviews from over 200 sites, making it easier than ever to manage your online reputation with one easy-to-use dashboard. Second, it helps to generate more customer reviews. The more reviews you have, the better your business looks. While sending review requests can help, it's tough to manually send out emails and texts to every single customer. With Birdeye, you can send review requests to your customers automatically. Plus, Birdeye can integrate with your customer relationship management or practice management system and generate new reviews while you do the hard work of taking care of your business. Third, it helps you manage reviews from all over the internet. Want to make sure that you're dealing with negative reviews quickly and effectively? Birdeye gives businesses automatic notifications every time they get a bad review. That way, it's easy for your team to deal with these problems before they escalate. Birdeye makes responding to reviews easy. If you'd like to respond to a review, all you need to do is type out a response within the Birdeye dashboard. Then, your response will show up on the site where the review originally appeared. Don't have time to respond to every review? You can also use Birdeye to set up automatic review response templates. You can customize these responses so they fit your brand voice and circumstances. Lastly, you can amplify your reviews on social media. We can't say it enough. Customers value reviews. So why not share them on social media? With a review management tool, sharing reviews on social media and on your website is easier than ever. When you get a 5-star review, you can share it automatically on platforms like Facebook and Twitter using Birdeye. Your social media followers can see social proof from any one of the 200 plus review sites that Birdeye monitors. Birdeye also makes it easy to showcase reviews on your website with an easy-to-install review widget. All you have to do is copy and paste a simple line of code. After that, website visitors can see testimonials from all your happy customers. What's the return on investment for reputation management software? Well, it's an easy and efficient way to rank in the top search results, increasing visibility and building credibility for your business while saving your team valuable time. The price of reputation management software can vary based on the size of your business, the number of services that you want to subscribe to, and the number of locations that you have. Birdeye offers different plans for businesses with different goals.